Pichavaram Mangrove Forest. The Pichavaram Mangrove Forest, located near Chidambaram, in the Killai district of Tamil Nadu, is one of the largest mangrove ecosystems in India. Renowned for its biodiversity and scenic beauty, it is a popular destination for ecotourism, research, and conservation. Key features: 1. Geographical location. Situated approximately 15 kilometers from Chidambaram and 235 kilometers from Chennai. Spread over an area of around 1,100 hectares and connected to the Velar and Kolroon estuaries, which flow into the Bay of Bengal. 2. Biodiversity. The mangrove forest supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. Flora includes true mangrove species like Avicennia, Rhizophora, and Bruguiera that thrive in brackish water. Fauna, home to various bird species, fish, crustaceans, reptiles, and amphibians. Key bird species include herons, egrets, kingfishers, and pelicans. 3. Network of waterways. The forest is crisscrossed by a network of waterways, creeks, and canals that are navigable by boat. These channels create a serene and picturesque environment, offering visitors a unique experience of exploring the dense mangroves. Activities and attractions. 1. Boating. Guided boat rides are the primary way to explore the mangroves. Tourists can choose rowboats, motorboats, or adventurous narrow canoe rides. Boats navigate through tunnels of mangrove trees, offering a close-up view of the ecosystem. 2. Birdwatching. Pichavaram is a birdwatcher's paradise, especially during the migratory season November to February, when numerous species arrive from far-off regions. 3. Photography. The scenic beauty of the dense mangroves, water channels, and bird life makes it an excellent spot for nature photography. 4th, adventure tourism. Kayaking and eco-trails are being introduced to attract adventure enthusiasts. 5. Ecotourism Center. The Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation, TTDC, operates an ecotourism center offering facilities like boating and information about the mangrove ecosystem. Ecological importance. 1. Coastal protection. The dense mangroves act as a natural barrier, protecting the coast from cyclones, tsunamis, and soil erosion. 2. Carbon sequestration. Mangroves are effective carbon sinks, playing a crucial role in mitigating climate change. 3. Nursery for marine life. The ecosystem serves as a breeding ground for various marine organisms, supporting local fisheries. Best time to visit. The ideal time to visit Pichavaram is from November to February, during the cooler months and the migratory bird season. Early mornings are the best for birdwatching and enjoying the serene beauty of the forest. Tips for visitors. 1. Wear light, comfortable clothing and sturdy footwear. 2. Carry sunscreen, hats, and water bottles to stay hydrated. 3. Avoid littering to maintain the pristine condition of the forest. 4. Follow safety instructions during boat rides. The Pichavaram Mangrove Forest is a remarkable example of nature's intricate balance and beauty. With its ecological significance, biodiversity, and scenic charm, it offers visitors a chance to experience a unique and serene ecosystem. Whether you're a nature lover, bird enthusiast, or adventure seeker, Pichavaram has something special to offer.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.